Hello everyone! Do you know fermented pickles are full of good bacteria called probiotics, which are important for gut health, fights disease, help digestion, and pickled vegetables with ground pork stir fry is epitome of summer appetizing delights for me, and it's so easy to make. You can also experiment with the different types of pickled green beans, vegetables, even add some pickled red chili to elevate the flavors with a hint of spice. And today I'm using pickled long string beans with a pickled red chili, also 1 pound of ground pork. So I recommend ground pork with a 20% fat content. That works perfectly with the pickled vegetables. When the salty and sour flavors dance harmoniously with a crispy and savory texture in your mouth, it's guaranteed to awaken your appetite instantly. All ingredients is customizable for this dish. I like spicy, so I have more pickled chili and 6 garlic cloves minced, half tablespoon Sichuan peppercorn. This is long string beans pickled from Asian market. You may also use different type of green pickled vegetables. I'm using 1 pound of ground pork, 20% fat content. You may justify the quantity of the ground pork based on your personal preference. First, we'll chop up all vegetables into small pieces. So we only need 4 core ingredients for this dish: pickled vegetables, ground pork, minced garlic, and Sichuan peppercorn. Again, all ingredients of this dish is customizable based on your personal preference. Now that everything is ready, let's go ahead and heat up 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. Add half tablespoon of salt in the oil as well. Once the salt melted in the oil, add minced garlic and Sichuan peppercorns. When you begin to smell the aroma from garlic and the Sichuan peppercorn, then add ground pork. We'll stir fry ground pork until approximately 80% of the moisture is evaporated. And to get that crispy texture, slightly overcooking the pork ensures that it beautifully complements the stir-fry pickled vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon Shao Xing cooking wine when you stir fry for about a minute. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Continuing stir fry over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. We wanted to have that crispy and dry texture of the ground pork, so we need to slightly overcook a little bit. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. The moisture is getting cooked off real quick, and as you can see, the liquid in the pan is getting less and less. Okay, now this color is beautiful and perfect, and we don't have much liquid in the pan. The remaining liquid is pretty much the oil. This is a perfect timing to add the pickled vegetables. I'm adding in red pickled chili first to stir fry a couple seconds. In a couple seconds, you will smell the aroma from the chili. Then we'll add pickled vegetables. Let's combine vegetables and ground pork together really well and stir fry for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to consistently tossing them around and stir fry about 3 to 5 minutes. We'll combine all pickled vegetables and the ground pork together. About 3 minutes in stir fry, add 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon and 1 teaspoon fine spices. Continuing stir fry and tossing them around about 2 minutes. Then we will turn off the heat, allowing remaining heat from the pan to cook them through. And that's it. That's all the work to it. Right before we take out from the pan, add salt and pepper to taste and give a stir. Isn't this the simplest stir fry ever? And the taste, it is so delicious. I just can't quite explain the magic of the salty and sour flavors from pickled vegetables, perfectly combined with the savory and crispy ground pork. It is a taste sensation that instantly awakens your appetite with the very first bite. I hope you enjoy this recipe and really give it a try. You will not be regret, I guarantee. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. And happy cooking, everyone!